This niche made me over $12,000 in January. Full-length 3D cartoons that are around 10 minutes long are getting 1 million views right now. In this video, I will show you how to create the exact same 10-minute cartoons using just one tool that can reach millions of views. I will explain step-by-step how to fully automate the process. Create a channel today and start uploading videos with cute cartoons. First, we will create a script. We will do it using AI Studio. It is free. Just write this request. Come up with a plot for a 3D cartoon. Describe your characters and briefly what they will do, an approximate storyline, and make sure to specify how long it will be. I will make mine for 3 minutes, and you can make yours for 10 minutes. After the script is written, we copy it and move to the main tool. We will create the video using the Video platform, because it allows you to create videos longer than 30 minutes. It also has image-to-video and text-to-video features, but we need the animation video feature. Click on it, and you will land on the page we need. First, you need to paste your script here, the one we already created. Now let's go through the settings below. Leave Smart Script as it is. The second tab is choosing the style and graphics. You can choose many different styles here. There is even Minecraft, but we will keep 3D cartoon because it fits our goal perfectly. Next is the video duration. This is the most interesting part. You can choose many options, including a 30-minute video, and that will already be a full cartoon, not just a short film. You can choose whatever you like. I will personally choose 180 seconds, which will be exactly 3 minutes, just like the script I wrote. Next comes the format. Set it to 16:9, or if you are making shorts, set it to 9:16. You can also choose the video language, because our characters will speak like in a real cartoon. For example, you can make cartoons for a Spanish audience. There is also a big demand there. After everything is set, click Create, and Video will start generating the scenes, characters, and voice acting. You need to wait a bit, and as you can see, my characters are ready. If you don't like your characters, you can easily change them. For example, you can upload your own image of a person and it will be animated, so it's very convenient. I am happy with everything, so I won't change anything. Next, you will see the scenes and locations, how everything will happen. You can edit any scene and change something, for example, the location. If you like everything, just click the Generate Video button. The website will start creating the finished animation. While the animation is generating, I want to tell you that the script is very important, so think it through to the end. Make a cute animal story, but also dynamic with drama, to create emotions for the viewer, and so the website understands you better. Always write your script minute by minute, and you will get a good animation. Create your own animal characters. For example, you can do a chick and a cat or something else. There are a lot of ideas. The main thing is not to copy other creators, so your content is original. That is the most important thing. Now you can see that each scene starts getting animated. There are quite a lot of them, and it will take some time, so you need to wait a bit. My story is quite simple. A chick and a dog were spending time together. They were walking, having fun, and playing. But then a farmer was watching them, and while they were eating, the farmer grabbed the chick and carried it away. The dog started chasing him, and in the end, it saved its friend, the chick. It's very cute. And you can also make happy endings, but with a continuation in other episodes, then the retention will be higher. Meanwhile, our scenes have turned into a full cartoon. Great, but that's not all. For example, if you don't like a certain scene, you can easily replace it or delete a shot. The animation overall is not bad, but let's improve it a bit. Click Edit with Storyboard in the top right. Here you can access every scene for editing. Let's go through the video. For example, this scene can be fixed. It's easy, just click the scene you want and press Generate, then wait. Important. First an image is generated, and then you animate the new scene. The image is ready, now click Animate. Choose any model you want, and generate the animation. This new animation looks much better. Great. After you have fixed everything, deleted unnecessary scenes, or changed what you wanted, click Next in the top right. The final thing you need to do is voice acting and music. Set the voice volume, and I recommend turning the music down. Otherwise, it will overpower the characters, or you can remove the music. After that, click Generate and wait. And the final version of the video is ready. When downloading the video, you can choose the quality. I will choose 2K. I'm waiting for it to process into full HD. Let's look at the final result.
Here it comes, little buddy. Just a gentle push.
Got it. Watch this.
Whoa! Nice tumble. You okay?
I'm good. Round 2.
All right, show me what you got.
I made it! Look at me up here!
Great job, little buddy. My turn. Up, up, whoa. Almost there.
You got it! Just one more push.
Whew. Whew. Made it down in one piece.
And a little dusty.
Yeah, but look at this place.
It's so shady and cool.
Easy now, Buster. We're sneaking, remember? Shh. Stay low and follow my lead.
It's so thick out here. How far do you think the stream is?
I'm not sure, but we'll find it. Just keep your eyes open.
Think someone followed us? What's that?
Whoa there, little fella. Gotcha. Easy now. You're safe. Hang on, little fella. We're almost there. Out! Easy, boy!
Guys, it looks really cool. High-quality animation with voice acting and sounds, and you don't need to edit the video because everything is already finished. I recommend Video Inu. The link will be in the description. Now you can publish it on YouTube right away. If you want to get a free subscription from Video Inu and create unlimited videos, register on the website and join my Telegram, where I will announce the winners. That's all, friends. Write in the comments what you think about this niche and which niche you want me to make a full guide on. Subscribe so you don't miss new trends. Wishing everyone recommendations, and see you soon.